Hello, you're back again. Good to see you back. Right, today we have a GM Holden key that doesn't go, and it's got no spring. So what we'll do first, let's take that there out. We'll take the battery out. And we'll give that a test for starters. Right. What do you got on the battery? .4, and it is a focus CR2032, commonly found in most computers and remotes. Right, so the battery's good. We'll get the old cell phone and we'll bang on hopefully it's in view. Right. Put the battery back into the remote. Yes. We'll connect up to the VVDI X-Source mini key tool, and we'll just do remote clone. It's on the frequency, sorry about the lighting, and we'll push button. Sorry, my hand's in the way, and there's nothing. No frequency whatsoever. Right. We shall now do a transponder, retransponder. Let's see if that's at least working. Yes, it is. If you can see that there, without all that glare. So I've got my tripod tilted up the other way. So the transponder part works. Right, let's pull apart this key and we'll see what's going on with it. Right, I've just taken out the battery again. Holden, GM, remote. Screw is under that logo. They can be a pain in the ass to take out. I'll quickly take it out. Without breaking it and scratching the back. What I usually do is just find a bit of plastic and stick it on plastic like that, and there's no screw there. Okay, I'll have to investigate a bit more. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we can just simply pry up on this bit here, and there we go there. Oh, the spring, there's a little leg, I don't know if you can see that, and we something to point. The little leg is jammed in there when it's meant to be poking out here in this little wee slot in here, so the little legs there. There it is, it's meant to go there, so that spring there can twist. Right, the board itself. Well, the buttons seem to be working alright. Right. Might have to get out the little microscope and have a look. I think it's a transponder chip is here. 5 buttons. Bottom one's panic, boot. I think that's got to do with remote start, unlock and lock. The keys for a HOLDEN Commodore. So we'll have a look. I'll grab the microscope. I've just gone through with multimeter off camera, and all the buttons do seem to work. I said I'd get out my camera, but it is a little bit dirty. So grab the old trusty toothbrush, some isopropyl alcohol. Let's give it all nice clean. Bit more ISO. It doesn't really matter if you get it too wet, as long as the battery's not in it. And I'll scrub it up with that. Grab the old trusty cotton buds, earbuds, whatever you like to call them. Give all the contacts a good clean. I'm not pushing too hard, I'm just getting around all the buttons. Just pick up any bit of dirt that may be bridging some components. Right, nice and clean. Right, I'll be back when I set up the microscope and we'll have a look. Right, let's have a look at this board. May wobble a bit. Right, what have we got here? All looking good. It looks like a bit of a scratch there, doesn't it? Oh, let's check to see if that's a broken trace or not. With the old trusty multimeter. Right, so we're going to here. Alright, that seems to be good. If you do see anything that I missed, put it in the comments, please. Oh, hello. What have we got here? What's something missing here? Right. Via through the board, via through the board. Right, where does this one here go? The other side of the board. It flows up around here, up through the via, next to the notch. The notch to here, through another component, up beside the button. And it goes through the board there. Lost my spot now. That one there, and it comes through right there, comes along. That's the track for the aerial, so that's why it's not going. So this component here is obviously fallen off or been knocked off. Bugger. Wonder what went there. I wonder if it's a capacitor, a fusible link maybe, resistor, capacitor. Right, so where's the other side? Where's this one here go? Up through here, the other side of the board. And look at that. It's a bit dirty under there. But that's the positive side of the battery. So it comes through here. We flip over the board directly. And yes, power. And sorry, out of focus. So power from the battery comes up through here. Through here, through here, and as we see it goes right on the other side, up, along here, here, and then brings us up into the aerial. Unfortunately, I don't think this will be fixable, because that's all part of the aerial, because I get this component here wrong. The frequency of that aerial will be completely different, so it won't be encoded to the car. I think the best bet is to clone this key and make a new key. What I will have to do is remove this chip here so you can still start his car, because I don't think you can clone these. I'll have to do some investigation on that. Right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Right, the key now is all back together. I'll put the spring in properly, so that now works nice. Buttons still don't work because it's missing that component, so I'll see what the customer wants to do, so I can transfer over the blade onto another type of key, but I don't think I've got a 5-button key here, so I might have to order one. Okay, thanks.